Good morning to all students of class first year, RS Center College, Kanpur. Yesterday I explained you the poem Education of Nature, composed by William Wordsworth. Today I am to tell you about the central idea, how central idea is written. At first I will like to inform you that I am sending you the central idea of this poem, Education of Nature, composed by William Wordsworth, through WhatsApp. You may open the WhatsApp and from that you may write the central idea. I am sending you a written central idea of this poem through WhatsApp. But I am explaining you about it that Wordsworth was the great poet of nature. He has been the greatest poet of nature of the world. His hobby was to wander in the lap of nature to the mountains, rivers, forests, grasslands, etc. and used to watch the birds, animals, trees, fruits, flowers, springs, rivers, and sky, stars, so and so. In this poem, Education of Nature, the poet has introduced a beautiful little girl named Lucy. She is the product of his imaginations. He says that Lucy was the most beautiful girl and she was adopted by the nature as her own daughter. Nature wanted to nourish her like her own daughter and she loved her. Lucy enjoyed various kinds of seasons: spring season, summer season, rainy season and winter season. For 3 years, the poet carried her to the mountains, to the rivers, to the grasslands. He wanted to give her interest of different kinds of beautiful objects of nature. He said that she liked to play in the grassland like the fawn. She learnt the good manners from the rivers, mountains and the trees. Fruit-laden trees taught her the lesson of self-sacrifice, and the rivers also. The willow tree gave the message to be kind. The clouds also taught her how to walk on the earth. She also liked two other forms of the nature. There are two forms of nature: creative and destructive, delightful and sorrowful object of nature. So he says that she also liked the sorrowful object of nature, also like flood, like the famine, like the drought, etc. She would also like to see the streams, springs and the rivulets where the water moves and create the sweet sound of murmuring, of rippling. The poet says that she would be young and beautiful. Her physical development was possible if she had been alive more. because the growth of the body develops day by day. But the poet says that she was short living. After 3 years, Lucy died. The poet was greatly shocked because he could not see any more to Lucy. But he says that he could see Lucy in his own memory, in the imaginations. She can never die. According to him, she will always live with the poet in the imaginations, in his memory. In this way, we can see that the poet was great lover of nature, and this Lucy poem is great romantic poem written by William Wordsworth. And in this poem, the poet has introduced his own liking and disliking. In this way, this is the central idea of the poem. You have to write it down from the WhatsApp, then see your WhatsApp and take out your pen, open the copy and start to write down the central idea of this poem just now. Thank you very much.